Now to this farm, there is an animal called quarry. They are uprooting my crops. I don't know what I can do to them. You can't come here very early in the morning. They do uproot. And I planted the same beans, and this one cannot come out. So I need to put somebody to check it. So they're still in the young stage. Beans zimekataa kutoka. At least these ones. Most of them same story, because it was the same type of beans, yellow green. Now hizi animals zinaniharibia, zina uproot. They are uprooting the ones that have come out. Like this one is in danger. Can't put someone mbali. Na shida tu. Most of them are coming out for maize. Beans ndio shida sasa. Kuomba tu Mungu zikuje. Ziko ndogo ndogo. The journey of planting is kama watoto yote. Let's pray that things go